Hello, you beautiful folks out there. Hope you guys are having a ball. My name is Ashish, and today I'm gonna teach you a very interesting topic in English, that is a phrase. So, today we are going to learn what a phrase is. So, without wasting any time, let's kick the lesson off. Alright folks, let's get to know what exactly a phrase is, what exactly it means, what is the definition of a phrase, right? So a phrase is nothing but a group of words that does not have the subject verb combination. Let me repeat it again for you. It is a group of words that does not have the subject verb combination. Alright, so from this very definition, there are two important points that can be taken out and we should emphasize two. Point number one, it is a group of words, right? It is always more than one. A phrase is always more than one word. Point number two, it does not have the subject verb combination. Now, I want you to pay attention to this part, right? It simply means that a phrase will never ever have both the subject and the verb in it, right? So what could happen is there will be three scenarios that you will see a phrase in. Scenario number one, it will have a subject but will not have a verb in it. Scenario number two, it will have a verb in it but will not have a subject in it. Scenario number three, it will not have neither of them, the subject and the verb. The subject and the verb will be missing in the phrase. So here are the three cases that you will see a phrase in. Alright guys, now let's talk about how do we use a phrase in a sentence, right? So first of all, let me tell you that it is a grammatical unit, right? That is paired with some other parts, right? To give a complete meaning. Just a grammatical unit. Alright, it's a part of a sentence, it's a fragment of a sentence. Let's take some examples of scenario number one where we have a subject but we do not have a verb. Alright, the red building. The red building is a phrase. Alright, we can use this phrase in a sentence. The red building looks amazing. The red building looks amazing. Alright, so we just have paired this phrase with some other words to give a complete meaning, to give a complete idea. My bad. Alright, the red building looks amazing. Now, let's take more examples. The President of India. The President of India is a phrase, right? So to give a complete idea, we need to have some other parts, right? Let's just do it. The President of India is a great man. The President of India is a great man. Again, it gives a complete idea now, right? Now, let's take some examples from scenario number two where we have a verb but we do not have a subject. All right? Let's just do it. Has been doing it. Has been doing it is a verb phrase, all right? Let's just make a sentence out of it. He has been doing it. He has been doing it, right? Let's take more examples. Looks amazing. Looks amazing. All right? Let's make a sentence out of it. Let's pair it with some other parts. The girl in the blue jeans looks amazing. The girl in the blue jeans looks amazing. All right? So that is how we pair it with other parts to give a complete idea, to render a complete idea. Now, let's talk about scenario number three where we do not have a subject and a verb. We miss both of them, alright? Let's take some examples. In the kitchen. In the kitchen. Here, I don't have a subject, neither do I have a verb in the kitchen. But I can use this phrase with some other parts to give a complete idea, alright? Let's just do it. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen, right? So here we have just conjugated this part, this phrase in the kitchen with other parts to give a complete idea in the kitchen. All right. On the road. On the road is again a prepositional phrase. All right. On the road. I am walking on the road. I am walking on the road. Let's take more examples. Okay. Under the table. Under the table. All right. Under the table. Now, we can conjugate this part with some other parts to give a complete idea. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table. Let's take more examples. Very fast. Very fast. All right. Let's just conjugate this part with some other parts and give a complete idea. She runs very fast. She runs very fast. Okay, let's take more examples. Ridiculously strong. Ridiculously strong. My brother is ridiculously strong. My brother is ridiculously strong. Okay folks, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We've come to the end of it. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you guys learned something new, enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel English with Ashish so that I can come up with such videos for you, and share it with the people that can be benefited out of it. If you guys have any queries, any question, do share it in the comment section below. I'll be answering to all of your questions real fast. And till the next video, have fun. I'm out. Peace.